Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tip video, and today we're going to be looking at vignette control. So no matter how good your lenses are, what you'll find is there is a fall off of light towards the corners of the lens, and the Z-mount lenses, even though they're really good, do suffer a little bit from this. It's normally worse with wide angle lenses rather than telephoto lenses, but you'll see it on most lenses. Now in the Z series camera, Nikon has built in the ability for the camera to put a lens profile onto images, and that's raw images, JPEGs and TIFFs that compensate for the fall off in light at the corners of the lens. You can find it in the photo shooting menu, and if you scroll down to the second page, you'll find it right at the bottom of the second page called vignette control. Within vignette control you've got 4 options. You've got off, low, normal and high, and which one you use will depend on the lens you're using. Now I've done some tests with the Nikon Z mount 14 to 30 lens, so let's take a look at the impact of the vignette control on this lens at the 14mm and also the 30mm ends. So these are all images taken against a neutral wall with the same lighting conditions and the same settings in camera. And what you can see is that with the vignette control turned off, there is clear vignetting. Then as you go through low, normal and high, that vignetting is improved steadily by the in-camera settings. The lens now at 30mm, you can see there's much less vignetting, and again as we go through low, normal and high settings in the vignette control, it has a noticeable improvement on the vignetting. So as you can see with the 14 to 30mm Z mount lens, it does have a noticeable positive impact on it. And I've checked the RAW files as well, and it works with RAW files in the same way as it does with the JPEG files. So really what you've got is a choice, depending on the lens, of the level of vignette control you apply to it. So what I'd suggest you do is, with the lenses you use on a regular basis, I would take some test shots like I did and see which level of setting works best. Now Nikon does warn that depending on the scene, the shooting conditions, the lens, etc., TIFF files and JPEGs can have some noise in the areas that are corrected, and therefore just be aware of that and keep an eye open for it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of future videos. Let me know if you're using vignette control, whether you have it set all the time or whether you use it on specific lenses. And I look forward to seeing you in a future video.